Retail POS.
Zakya.
Nice, yeah.
ಇನ್ನೆವರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ತರ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಾನೇ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬ್ರಾಂಡ್ ನೋಡಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Ramraj Bracelet Trunks, the best partner.
ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಚಿನ್ನದ ಬೆಲೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಏರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಮಾರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಸಮಯ. So hurry up and visit whitegold.money.
Hello to all. I am Dr. N. Chandraban Singh, consultant physician and cardiodiabetologist. Today being World Hypertension Day, so May 17th, I would like to discuss a crucial topic that affects millions of people in this world. Hypertension, also in common terms known as high blood pressure, is a silent killer. What is it that one has to do to manage hypertension? The most important aspect is lifestyle modification. Person can control his blood pressure through diet, taking less salt, less sodium chloride, 3 to 5 grams per day, regular exercise, and regular exercise has to sleep well, manage his stress well, and maintain his weight, normal BMI, quit smoking if he has a habit of smoking, and also not to take alcohol if he is a regular alcohol user. In spite of all these measures, if BP persists in a person, then he has to take medications regularly, depending upon his comorbidity, depending upon his complications, depending upon other factors. There are various drugs which can be used to control his blood pressure, and regular intake of drugs is very important in hypertension if it is not controlled with simple lifestyle measures. So I would like
Issued in public interest by Unison Pharmaceuticals.
ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಅಂಜಲಿ ಸಾವಿನ ಪ್ರಕರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಜಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ. 15 ದಿನಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ